Everyone, I hope all are doing well. I wanted to wish a happy Women's Day to all my SAC family members. Uh, we, whenever we find a story, after becoming a storyteller, it's our duty to share stories to every one of you. So I have come across that story yesterday only. While I was about to sleep, I was still thinking upon thinking about the the story which I've shared about a pain which I had yesterday. It was a pain in bladder, and that pain made me go to the doctor, then the sonography specialist, and get a positive vibes from my wife that don't worry, the pain will subside. So there are two important learning which I want to share through this story. I remember in 2017 I wanted to join a company which was a multinational. It was Sweden based, and it had a product which was innovative. Uh, it took me 5 months to just approach them through LinkedIn, and finally on 2nd October I got the offer letter, and I worked as a consultant. And as I worked as a consultant, I failed as a speaker. So that opportunity turned my perspective towards sales, turned my perspective towards value addition to the audience. And from there, from that one incident, when I failed as a speaker, I decided that I will learn public speaking. So when I started putting the efforts, even the nature also helped me to get what I wanted. And now I am able to speak in presence of audience with preparation, with techniques ranging from 5 to 400. So so what I wanted to share is that when you wish for something and you put the efforts, the nature will help you to achieve it. So in the similar way, when I had the pain, I found out the people who will help me for it. And my first observation is this, that when you wish for something, when you put the effort, you'll get it. And the second is, imagine that you are a consumer and you need that thing. You need that thing as emergency, as something like without which you cannot live. Something like I had that pain, so I needed the remedy for it. So being in sales, I have understood that if somebody comes directly to you searching from a phone call, that opportunity one should never miss. And I had found out great result. If I get a phone call from my customers or from anyone and who calls me up, and when I speak to them in a right way, empathy, kindness, 100% it has given me the result back. So with these two observations, I'm taking your permission to say bye for now until we meet again. This is Sudhir, appeared for a skill-based challenge, that how the idea of problem can give you two great results. Signing off until we meet again.